Oh, stop that nonsense. You don't
Did I do something wrong?
eat the whole thing in your mouth?
Did you? You said that's the chip.
Thank you so much for joining us today to our channel, Spice Gal. My name is Alexandra Caesar, and this is my cooking channel where we learn how we eat from our home. The other day, I had Tara, my very good friend, and she's from Puerto Rico, and she shared a dish with us, ceruche con queso, and it was so yummy. However, I think I need to recover, from it. So today, she agreed again to come over, and I am going to cook the way I eat in my home. As you know, Tara, I lost 60 pounds and a lot of island dish. I'm not able to cook for many reasons. One reason is I did not grow up with a mom, and I was really not interested in learning how to cook traditional meals because it takes so long and it's so rich. And I have celiac also, so I learned to remove certain items. Although I do crave island food, I kind of like substitute and make it work for me.
Okay.
But the way I eat is mostly I eat to survive, and I also eat, it has to be tasty, but I also eat to survive to make sure I stay healthy. So one of my favorite side dish I used to eat growing up with my father, and I remember he used to eat this every day. I'm like, what is this? And if I didn't finish eating the artichoke dish, I couldn't leave the table. Some of you know the feeling.
What do you mean?
I'm making today is just a side dish with a dip, and it's called artichoke. It's an artichoke. Have you ever eaten this?
Artichoke?
Well, not the dip, the vegetable. No. Okay. I saw something on the internet saying, someone say it's chewy. Well, it's because you're not supposed to eat the whole thing, okay? It's actually only the bottom tip that you're supposed to eat. And it's really easy to cook.
Oh, so you don't eat this?
You don't eat this. It's actually at the bottom, okay? So artichoke, so people say, why would I eat this? This is like a lot of work and a lot of waste and a lot of time. Artichoke is actually, bloated with nutrients. It has so much nutrient and nutritional benefits. Like it lower your blood sugar, it lower your cholesterol. It's good if you have a bowel movement problem, which explains why my father cooked it every single day and he lived a long life. But so people are like, well, this is bland. How do I eat this? So this is why I'm also going to make a dip, just a simple dip. This is something simple. Like, again, this is the way I eat. I eat, things that are fast, nutritional, healthy, beneficial to my body. So the dip is something very fast. It's a cheese dip. Of course, you're not gonna go crazy. You're not gonna eat something healthy and then just load yourself with a bunch of cheese. But the cheese is there as a, content, makes it very, very tasty. It kind of like improves the texture of the dip and fills you up. So if you're sitting at home and you want, a side dish that's quick and that's filling, that can hold you until dinner, and you have that, or you can even use it for lunch. It will fill you up. And I add a little bit of garlic to it. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated, very simple, and you actually can see the ingredient. It's garlic, it's shallot. Shallot is like a kind of onion, but it's kind of like the flavor is a little tastier than onion, and it's smaller, and Tara just chopped it up for me. And garlic and parsley. So I'm gonna ask Tara to go ahead and cook the ground turkey. You're gonna fry this, and first I'm gonna let everyone know, before you cook your artichoke, you have to just wash it thoroughly. Wash it thoroughly. And this dish shouldn't take you more than 45 minutes to cook. Between the mid cheesy deep and ooh, okay. You're so crazy. She's trying to sabotage me on purpose because I'm complaining that she made me eat fried cornmeal with cheese.
Yeah, that's good though.
It was yummy. It was yummy. So okay.
It's not good for you. This is for you.
Right. Well, this is done. This is gonna clean up my system after I ate whatever I ate last week.
Yeah.
With you.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So we're gonna go to the sink and run water over it while Tara here is going to fry. Oh, by the way, Tara, I will use a teaspoon of organic olive oil.
Yeah. I use it too, but not for my frituras.
Not for your frituras. Okay. I use it for everything. Okay, and then just a teaspoon. Okay.
Do I put the healthy oil in the pan?
Okay, just add a teaspoon of this right here, and then please don't sabotage me. Don't just. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No, not even verbal recipe 1-on-1. That is insane. Okay.
It smells so good.
Yeah, I know. It has shallot. Shallot. Yeah, you just like, and then you're gonna use a little bit of cayenne pepper, just give it some flavor. Spices from friends, from the farmer's market, and a little bit of red clove. I just a tad, something really quick, you know. I don't cook with salt.
Okay.
I cook with salt, but it has enough salt already. Just one packet. Thank you for being a great assistant today.
Oh,
you're not talking back, unlike my other guests that with the chicken feet.
She was.
Y'all remember her? She's not allowed back here. So that's my best friend. Little bit of lime water. Tap, 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 tap. That's it. I'm going to go ahead and, prep the other artichoke. So we're going to cut more than half of the stem at the bottom, like as so. And you have to just clean it up as needed. You just, cook the tip.
So you're just cutting the tips that are brown at the end?
Yeah, at the end.
Okay. And you're just putting enough water in here to steam the artichoke?
Yeah, I just steam it. Okay. It will turn kind of like brownish a little bit in like maybe 20 minutes. And remember, if you wish to eat the whole thing, that's on you. This is not the way I eat it. This is not the way I grew up eating it. I will steam it, clean it up, chop it off, and I actually eat the bottom part, which is the white part, with a dip. If you eat the whole thing and it's chewy.
It's not supposed to be chewy?
It wasn't made to eat the whole thing.
Okay.
But just like if someone eat a banana with the peel, are you gonna just judge them?
Well, that's kind of weird. Eat a banana.
Well, again, I'm just saying.
So you would say that that's like eating a peel of a fruit that normally you.
I think so.
Yeah.
I'm not accusing anyone, but I think so. So, So I'm gonna put my other artichoke here, just for time's sake, so it can boil faster.
Okay.
So we can at least have one. So this is ready. So we are going to chop up our cheese.
You have a particular way you like to cut your cheese, or does it?
The quicker it can melt, the better. Because again, like I said, with me, my cooking is healthy and it's quick. It's fast. Okay, so I'm going to make a mixture, Tara. I'm going to use a bowl. No, well, you could use a measuring cup, but things like that, just like you, I just pour a little bit of milk. I'm just gonna open it with this. Oh my God, my husband's gonna kill me. Look at that! Wow.
You took it all the way back to the eye.
Oh my God!
Put a hole in one corner and the other.
Let's try this one. That thing said, I'm not opening today. Okay, so that one is good.
Wow.
maybe about.
And what kind of milk is that?
That's condensed. I use condensed milk, but you could use just regular milk. And I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of flour. Okay. What we're gonna do? You're going to put the cheese in there for me.
With the meat.
To pour the flour in the milk.
Okay.
As so. Okay. And you're going to stir it. And if it's not cheesy enough, we'll go ahead and add more cheese. Kind of look at the texture. And you could use cheddar cheese. Any cheese will do.
Cheese.
It's really up to your liking. Okay? So we're going to take a break. And when we come back, we'll have the artichoke ready and the dip ready for Tara to try and you guys to see. So here. Add some. You really have to be careful the way you grab your artichoke because it's going to fall apart. So I'm going to transport it really quick upside down. Like right here. Okay. Okay, well, thank you so much for tuning back in. So I am done cooking my side dish, which is the artichoke, and my cheese dip with ground turkey. To me, this meal is filling, and also it helps me wait on dinner or maybe a heavier lunch that I will have later. So people may eat this with chips. The artichoke is my dish. It's my chips, literally.
Oh.
So this is the artichoke. How do you think we're gonna eat this?
I mean, if this is the chip,
I'm
gonna take a piece of it.
Okay.
Dip it in my dish.
Okay. Let me see you do it.
Okay. So I'm just gonna peel it off.
Okay.
My hands are clean.
I know. We just clean everything.
I'm gonna put it in here. Okay.
Oh, stop that nonsense. You don't.
Did I do something wrong?
I mean,
I see the chewy part.
Did you eat the whole thing in your mouth?
Did you? You said that's the chip.
Okay. So,
Man.
this is not the way
I'm gonna chew it.
Yeah, you're not supposed to eat the whole thing, just the tip.
What?
Okay, so this is the way I grew up eating it, and I think that's the way you're supposed to eat it. Only the end of it that you just suck out, and everything else you tossed. This is not something you're supposed to eat. But if you eat it, you won't die. It just makes you look a little dumb. That's all.
Oh.
No. I mean,
you said it's the dip.
Yeah. So the dip, the sauce is in the dip, and the nutrient is in the tip. The sauce is in the dip, and the nutrient is in the tip.
Okay, so you're just eating this part. You're
just sucking out the yes, that's what nutrients are. Yes.
It's so much work.
Well, it's worth it. It's really worth it. But you go like this. Trash.
Okay.
You start over. You see? You dip it. You could use anything. You could use, like a simple cheese dip, a vinegar dip, vinaigrette dip, whatever fancy your pants. I don't know. Yeah. But this is what fancy my pants. This right here. I love my cheese, ground turkey with shallot and garlic. Go.
It's good.
There you go. You have it, folks. Remember to subscribe, like, comment. And if you eat artichoke differently, do not hesitate to share it with us. We would like to know. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Thank you, Tara, for being a good sport.
Yeah.
I know this is
Thank you for showing me something new.
Yeah, just like I ate whatever I ate last week from you. It was out of my comfort zone. Yeah. Today you're eating something.
I guess every week we try something different.
I know. It's so much fun.
Good. It's like International Weekly.
What was that? International Weekly?
Yeah, you try something different
everywhere?
From everywhere.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. International Weekly.
So we're learning. We're learning internationally, although we are in America.
Yeah.
You were crazy.
But it is a melting pot, like you said.
I'm curious to know how many folks actually eat this just like that. So you just drop a comment. If this is the way you eat it, Let us know. I'm curious to know.
Yeah.
Do you know anybody that eats it? No? Funny. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye, you guys.
Thank you for having me.
Oh, you're welcome. You're so crazy. Everything. Jamie said it smells funny. And Daryl said Daryl's making a taco out of it. Daryl's making a taco out of it. Okay. Okay. Jamie, you cannot
He
drink
is still thinking about it.
drink soda after it.
Yeah.
Come on.
Please don't.
How do you think we eat it?
I'm sure you just put it in your mouth, right?
Well, yeah, but how do you eat it though?
Well,
your mouth.
eating involves putting in the mouth.
Okay, how about you, Daryl? How do you
You
Daryl?
chew.
Yeah, how about you? How do you eat it, Daryl?
It's the fact that she's asking me.
How do you eat it?
Jeremy's got
It's not bad actually.
Jeremy's got the pedal
But
in his
yeah,
mouth.
Okay, how about you? How about
So
you?
he just ate the whole thing.
You eat
so
the whole thing, yeah. So do you eat the whole thing?
I guess so.
Okay, well, go
Because
for it.
he did
Don't
it.
swallow.
Go for it. No. It's like you eating a banana with the peel. You eat
It's
the,
chewy.
It's like you eat
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, he
It's like,
did it.
it's like you eat the peel.
It's supposed to be kind of chewy.
It is chewy.
It's
There you
very
go.
chewy.
There you go. You eat the tip of it only.
You only the little tip.
The
Only
bottom of it.
only the bottom of it.
So this, the part that I actually peeled off, I had that little chunk first.
Yeah,
The one you
okay.
threw away.
Yeah.
That's the one you eat.
Yeah.
So I mean, you can eat the whole thing. That's up to you. It's not gonna.
It's not gonna
It's not
kill
gonna
you.
hurt
It's a
you.
blend.
Yeah.
It's just extra chewy.
Very chewy.
Let
Yeah.
me see what it tastes like.
And then
Just like that.
You see
You're
the
not gonna
heart.
die.
You see the
Well,
heart
you
though.
know, like
The heart is very hairy.
Mhm.
When you
Hairy.
yeah, it's got some kind of hairy substance
Well, that sounds very
right here.
appetizing.
Right
That's the
here.
heart.
There's the hair.
Yeah.
Touch it. It's very.
Touch it. It's very hairy.
Very hairy. Like,
Oh, that's good. That's